Hello, we are the SpaceX fans and welcome to the SpaceX Show, the place where you can stay up to date with everything SpaceX. SpaceX launched the Falcon Heavy Viasat 3 mission successfully on Sunday. Due to needing extra performance for the mission, none of the boosters from this mission were recovered.
2, 1, engines full power, and liftoff of Viasat 3. Go Viasat, go Falcon Heavy.
The next Starlink mission is now scheduled for tomorrow. The Starlink 5-6 mission is currently expected to launch tomorrow, Thursday 4th at 7:34am UTC or 3:34am EDT. SpaceX posted a tweet related to the fairings from the Falcon Heavy mission. They said this was the first time flight-proven fairings supported a Falcon Heavy mission, and it was the farthest downrange landing and recovery of fairings to date at 1,200 plus miles, nearly a third of the way to Africa. There was another tweet related to Falcon fairings in general. It says this marks the 100th reuse of flight-proven fairings. SpaceX also posted this cool video of a fairing half re-entering the atmosphere. They said fairing re-entry on the Viasat 3 mission was the hottest and fastest we've ever attempted. The fairings re-entered the atmosphere greater than 15 times the speed of sound, creating a large trail of plasma in its wake. I wanted to share a tweet related to Gwynne Shotwell. It says, "Congratulations to Gwynne Shotwell, President and COO of SpaceX, for receiving the Foundation's most prestigious award, the National Space Trophy." NASA posted a tweet about the Crew 6 Dragon moving to a different port on the ISS. It says, "This weekend our Crew 6 astronauts are taking their Dragon out for a spin. Tune in as they move the Dragon Endeavour spacecraft to a new port on the space station." NASA posted another tweet, this one related to the next Axiom mission. It says, "NASA, Axiom Space and SpaceX are working together to identify the best available opportunity to launch the Axiom Mission 2 to the space station. We are no longer targeting opportunities in early May." Heading to Boca Chica, this stair extension is being added to the orbital launch mount. There is also scaffolding that is going back up to access the launch mount. There's also more scaffolding being added back to the top of the mount. Kevin Randolph posted a tweet related to the work going on at the base of the orbital launch mount. It says, "Doghouse at the base of the OLM has been cut free. New blue pipes are going down in the crater, deep enough to just see the top of the loader down in there." The orbital launch mount repair work seems to be progressing very fast. RGV Aerial Photography posted this tweet with aerial views of the orbital launch mount. It says, "On the latest flyover you can see the broken foundation already has rebar straightened out for repair." In the production yard, SpaceX has started putting together sections for a new high bay. Here's a closer look at this new prefabricated section. There was a tweet related to the FAA and Starship posted by Joey Roulette. It says, "Environmental groups sued the FAA today in federal court over its approval of SpaceX's expanded Starship launch operations next to a national wildlife refuge in South Texas without requiring greater environmental study." Here's a view of the test nose cone that was tested to failure at Massey's recently. Here's the Booster 11 liquid oxygen tank in the Mega Bay. To finish the video today, there's an updated Starship production diagram to take a look at thanks to the Ring Watchers. As always, I have to say thanks to Nick Sweeney for being out there filming the Starbase content. Also thanks to the NASA spaceflight team working behind the scenes on their videos, live streams and other space content. That's it for this episode of the SpaceX Show. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to hit the like button and leave a comment down below. If you want to stay updated with SpaceX info, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified when I upload. Thanks for watching and have a great day.